Right guys, okay, so today it's Saturday morning and we're looking at that sign. Now can we use the lane or not? Have a look. You make your choice, you make your decision. So what we did, we came into this lane because again, I want you to look at the times. So we're in this lane, we're following the road down, so we're allowed to use this lane. Now what you must understand with bus lanes, sometimes the segments permit you to use, sometimes they don't. We could actually park here as well if you like today. See that floor marking there, that's for the bay, a parking bay. So now if you look further along this road, it means at some point we need to move into the lane on the right. So you quickly look into that mirror and you look ahead, you look into the mirror again, you look ahead. Now if you read this sign is different. And if you look in your mirror, it's safe, then we move across. Now that line tells us that we need to move across into our lane. And that's how you do. And that's how you should. And that's what's expected for your driving test. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.